Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're going to show the light that we use to help us, one of the lights we like to use to help us repair espresso machines and also create videos. So this is the Taotronics Stand light. You can see it comes on this beautiful stand, and then it also has controls that allow you to make it dimmer and brighter. And this is very helpful when you're working on espresso machines and it's just hard to get good light inside the espresso machine. And here you can see when I have the camera inside the light. I also like to look through the light, and this allows me to cast fewer shadows on the work that I'm doing. You can see there's lots of intricate work to be done inside the espresso machine. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to purchase this light, there's a link below. Thank you.